How to enroll in Fifth Third Identity Alert. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Next, log into your online banking account using your user ID and password. Then, navigate to the Alert section in your account dashboard. After that, look for the option called Identity Alert or Fraud Alerts and select it. Follow the prompts to enroll by providing your contact information such as your phone number and email address where you want to receive alerts. Make sure to review the terms and conditions, then confirm your enrollment. Once enrolled, you will start receiving real-time alerts about any suspicious activity or identity threats on your account. And that's it. Now you know how to enroll in Fifth Third Identity Alert. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.